I've just spotted something really interesting in gardening. First strawberry of the year. I've just replanted that area with them French beans in. Hopefully this time they'll be alright. And I've popped some sweet corn in as well. Dug another little patch over. So now I'm going to go and put some more brassicas in. So we've replaced all those French beans. Get them a good watering. And hopefully these will pick up and do better than last lot did. I've put in some regular sweet corn. That's Swift. And now we'll get some of these brassicas planted. So I've just dug and weeded this little area. Now we've done that bit, we're going to have to put some kind of a netting over the top, because if we don't, the pigeons will just tear them out and eat them. And now that metal framework's done, that's going to keep the net off of the top of the plants, we can now just throw a net over. So that'll keep pigeons off. So we've just got that little first bonus strawberry today, which is brilliant, because that's right at container garden as well. And we've replaced all those French beans, and we're going to get those all going again, and hopefully this time they'll do alright. And then we just prepped another area and filled it with Brussels, cabbages and cauliflowers, and put that net over so that we know that these pigeons aren't going to rip them out of the ground, because they will. First chance they get. And we've got that little block of regular sweet corn plants in as well. And they're the full size ones, and they're called Swift. And then tomorrow we'll be doing these Jack the Little miniature pumpkins. We need to get these in some containers, build a framework for them to climb up, and then get them on that container garden. But we'll do that tomorrow. So if you want to see that video, then just hit the subscribe button, press that notifications bell. We'll see you then. You all take care. Thank you.